What if the difference between an average workshop and a professional one comes down to tools you didn't even know existed? On AU Techverse, we're about to reveal 30 genius woodworking tools that quietly solve the biggest problems craftsmen deal with every day. Stay till the end, because every tool you see has its Amazon link waiting in the description, and missing one might cost you your next perfect build. When variable speed parallel arm scroll saw. When working on intricate designs, even slight vibration can ruin the final cut. The Wen variable speed parallel arm scroll saw is designed with a parallel arm system that reduces vibration and noise, giving you smoother control. Its large steel table supports angled cuts, while the variable speed motor helps match different materials. Quick blade changes and an integrated dust port keep workflow clean and efficient. It is built for detailed, accurate woodworking without unnecessary interruptions. Bora Workhorse Sawhorses. Setting up a stable work surface on site can be frustrating when supports are unreliable. The Bora Workhorse Sawhorses provide a strong steel frame with high load capacity, allowing you to handle heavy materials confidently. The folding design makes transport simple, while quick deploy legs speed up setup. Pre-drilled brackets allow you to create a temporary workbench when needed. It is a practical solution for stable, flexible support in any workspace. Microjig Grr-Rip-Block Smart Push Block. Handling wood safely on saws requires both control and protection. The Microjig Grr-Rip-Block Smart Push Block is designed to maintain firm grip and guide material accurately through cuts. Its specialized surface improves traction, while the heel hook helps prevent slipping at the end of a cut. The ergonomic handle provides better control during operation. It allows you to work with confidence, improving both safety and cutting precision on multiple machines. Hikeen Ski Snowboard Vises. Working on skis or boards without proper support leads to uneven results and wasted effort. The Hikeen Ski Snowboard Vises hold your equipment securely in multiple positions, including horizontal and angled setups. Built with durable materials and non-slip contact points, they prevent movement during tuning or maintenance. Adjustable clamps make them compatible with different workbenches. It is a reliable setup that ensures stable, accurate work every time. Rockler Parallel Clamps. When gluing large panels, even pressure is what separates a clean result from a warped one. The Rockler Parallel Clamps are designed to apply consistent pressure from multiple directions, keeping boards aligned while the glue sets. Their rigid jaws and stable rail system help maintain flat surfaces without shifting. Adjustable sizing supports different project dimensions. They are a dependable solution for achieving straight, professional quality panels and joinery. AKNgoes Woodworking Folding Saddle Square. Marking accurate lines across multiple faces of a workpiece can be time-consuming with standard squares. The AKNgoes Folding Saddle Square simplifies this by allowing you to mark both sides in a single placement. Its hinge design ensures stable alignment without play, improving consistency. It also works on angled layouts, not just 90 degrees. This makes it a practical measuring tool for precise joinery and layout work. Welkinland 16 Pockets Waxed Canvas Tool Apron. Searching for tools during a project breaks focus and slows progress. The Welkinland Waxed Canvas Tool Apron keeps essential tools organized and within reach with multiple deep pockets. Its durable material resists wear, while adjustable straps distribute weight comfortably during long sessions. Reinforced stitching adds durability for heavy use. It helps maintain workflow efficiency by keeping everything accessible without constant movement around the workspace. Bora Automatic Pocket Hole Jig. Inconsistent pocket holes can weaken joints and affect overall build quality. The Bora Automatic Pocket Hole Jig is designed to adjust automatically based on material thickness, removing the need for manual setup. It delivers accurate drilling angles for strong, repeatable joints. The included components make it ready to use straight out of the box. It is a reliable tool for creating clean, solid connections in furniture and cabinetry projects. Microjig Fitfinder Wood Center Point Finder. Finding the exact center of a board usually means measuring, marking, and double-checking. The Microjig Fitfinder simplifies this by locking onto the material and instantly marking the center point without calculations. It works across table saws, router tables, and other setups where alignment matters. Its simple press and lock design saves time while improving accuracy. It is a smart solution for consistent setups and precise joinery work. Amyhill Wooden Door Stopper. In a busy workshop, doors that keep moving can interrupt workflow or even cause damage. The Amyhill Wooden Door Stopper uses a simple wedge design to hold doors firmly in place on different surfaces. Made from solid wood, it provides reliable grip without slipping. Its compact size makes it easy to keep nearby when needed. It is a straightforward tool that adds stability and convenience to everyday movement in the workspace. SpeTool Shank Downcut Spiral Router Bit. When routing grooves or mortises, tear out on the surface can ruin the finish. The SpeTool Downcut Spiral Router Bit is designed to push fibers downward, leaving a clean top surface. Its sharp cutting edges and durable coating help maintain performance over extended use. Compatible with standard routers, it works on wood, plywood, and MDF. It is a practical choice for achieving clean, professional quality cuts in detailed woodworking tasks. Microjig Matchfit Dovetail Hardware Variety. Traditional clamping setups can limit flexibility when building custom jigs. The Microjig Matchfit Dovetail hardware allows you to create adjustable tracks and fixtures using dovetail grooves. The system lets clamps and stops slide and lock exactly where needed. Built from durable material, it supports repeated use across different setups. It gives woodworkers more control and versatility when designing custom work-holding solutions. Bora Portamate Mobile Base Kit. In a crowded workshop, heavy machines fixed in one place can limit how you work. The Bora Portamate Mobile Base Kit allows you to mount tools like table saws or workbenches onto a rolling frame with up to 400 lb capacity. Its adjustable design fits different equipment sizes, while the locking wheels keep everything stable during use. It makes repositioning tools easy, helping you use your space more efficiently. Kakuri Japanese Wood Chisel. Fine woodworking demands clean cuts and sharp detail, especially in joinery work. The Kakuri Japanese Wood Chisel is crafted from high-quality carbon steel, allowing it to stay sharp and deliver smooth, controlled cuts. Its sturdy handle provides balance and comfort during use, whether shaping joints or carving details. Designed for precision, it helps achieve refined results that are essential in professional woodworking. Toolcool Router Corner Radius Template. Creating consistent rounded corners can be difficult without a proper guide. The Toolcool Router Corner Radius Template provides multiple radius options in one setup, allowing you to shape edges accurately with a router. Its solid construction keeps it stable during use, while the anti-slip base improves safety. Quick adjustments make switching between sizes simple. It is a reliable tool for achieving clean, repeatable corner profiles. Dina Motoring Miter Sawbox. Cutting accurate angles with a hand saw requires proper guidance to avoid uneven results. The Dina Motoring Miter Sawbox is built to hold wood securely while guiding cuts at preset angles like 90, 45, and 22.5. Its durable construction supports repeated use, while the clamp design improves stability. It provides a simple and effective way to achieve clean, consistent angle cuts for framing and trim work. Fiskars Crafts DIY Precision Hand Drill. When working on small projects or delicate materials, power tools can feel too aggressive. The Fiskars Crafts DIY Precision Hand Drill gives you full control with a manual crank system, allowing slow, accurate drilling in wood, laminate, or drywall. Its soft grip handle improves stability, while the keyless chuck makes bit changes quick and simple. It is ideal for detailed tasks where precision matters more than speed. Toyaki Sliding Compound Dual-Bevel Miter Saw. Cutting large boards at precise angles often requires both power and flexibility. The Toyaki Sliding Compound Dual-Bevel Miter Saw features a strong motor and a sliding mechanism that increases cutting capacity. Its dual bevel design allows angled cuts on both sides, reducing repositioning time. Built-in guides improve accuracy during operation. It is a reliable choice for clean, repeatable cuts in framing and detailed woodworking projects. Gohelper Door Lock Installation Kit. Installing door locks without proper alignment can lead to uneven holes and poor fit. The Gohelper Door Lock Installation Kit uses a solid metal jig to guide drilling with accuracy. It supports standard door sizes and common backset measurements, while the clamp system ensures a secure hold during operation. Included drill components help create clean, precise holes. It is a practical solution for consistent and professional door hardware installation. Poliwell Micro Sander Kit. Sanding small or detailed areas can be difficult with standard tools that are too large. The Poliwell Micro Sander Kit is designed for precision work, allowing you to sand tight spaces and fine details comfortably. Its compact form and soft grip improve control, while multiple grit options handle both shaping and finishing. Quick sandpaper changes keep the workflow smooth. It is a useful tool for achieving clean, refined surfaces in detailed projects. Jcfants Router Table Insert Plate. When upgrading a router table, stability and accuracy make a noticeable difference in results. The Jcfants Router Table Insert Plate is made from aluminum alloy with a smooth, wear-resistant surface that supports precise routing work. Pre-drilled mounting holes allow quick installation, while clear measurement markings help with accurate setup. It improves control and consistency during cutting, making it a practical addition for cleaner and more precise woodworking operations. Dooyutool Brushless Pruning Chainsaw. For cutting small logs or trimming branches, large chainsaws can feel heavy and inefficient. The Dooyutool Brushless Pruning Chainsaw offers a compact cordless design with a brushless motor for controlled cutting performance. Features like automatic chain lubrication and tool-free tension adjustment improve ease of use. The built-in safety mechanisms help maintain control during operation. It is a convenient solution for quick, efficient cutting tasks around the workshop or outdoors. Toolcool Mortise and Tenon Jig. Creating strong joinery requires precise alignment, especially with mortise and tenon joints. The Toolcool Mortise and Tenon Jig is designed to guide a router for consistent, repeatable cuts across multiple pieces. It includes components for different tenon sizes, allowing flexibility in various projects. Once set, it maintains accuracy without constant adjustments. It is a reliable tool for producing clean, well-fitted joints in furniture and structural woodworking. Milescraft Lockmate Door Lock Installation Kit. Installing door hardware with accuracy can be challenging without the right guide. The Milescraft Lockmate Door Lock Installation Kit simplifies the process with adjustable spacers and a removable drill guide for precise alignment. It supports standard door sizes and includes hole saws for clean cuts. The setup is straightforward, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. It ensures consistent, professional results in door lock installation tasks. Intertool Splitting Axe. When preparing firewood, inefficient strikes can waste both time and energy. The Intertool Splitting Axe is designed with a balanced head and a sharp carbon steel blade that delivers controlled, effective splits. Its composite handle helps absorb shock, reducing strain during repeated use. The non-slip grip improves handling in outdoor conditions. It is a practical tool for clean, efficient wood splitting with better control on every swing. Skill Belt and Disc Combination Benchtop Sander. Achieving smooth finishes on different surfaces often requires multiple sanding tools. The Skill Belt and Disc Combination Benchtop Sander combines both functions in one setup, allowing you to handle flat surfaces, edges, and angles with precision. Its motor delivers consistent performance, while adjustable tables improve control for angled sanding. The integrated dust port helps keep the workspace clean. It is a reliable solution for efficient, accurate sanding work. Evolution Convertible Miter Table Saw. Limited workspace can make it difficult to use multiple cutting tools effectively. The Evolution Convertible Miter Table Saw combines a miter saw and table saw into one compact system, saving space while maintaining functionality. Its motor supports cutting across different materials, and adjustable angles allow precise cuts. Safety features and stable construction improve control during operation. It is a versatile choice for workshops that need flexibility without sacrificing performance. Maxman 24 PC's Sanding Sponge Set. Sanding irregular shapes and detailed surfaces can be difficult with rigid tools. The Maxman 24-piece Sanding Sponge Set uses flexible foam-backed pads that conform to curves and edges. With a wide range of grits, it handles both rough shaping and fine finishing. The reusable design supports wet and dry use, while quick changes keep workflow efficient. It is a practical solution for achieving smooth, detailed finishes in complex areas. SpaceCare Retractable Workbench Casters Kit. Rearranging a heavy workbench usually takes effort and interrupts your workflow. The SpaceCare Retractable Workbench Casters Kit solves this by adding lift-on-demand mobility to fixed furniture. Each caster supports high weight capacity, while the foot-operated mechanism raises the bench smoothly when needed. When lowered, the bench rests firmly on its legs for stability. It is a practical upgrade that makes workshop layout changes fast and controlled. Logo X 3-in-1 Forestry Multi-Tool. Handling logs manually can strain your back and slow down cutting work. The Logo X 3-in-1 Forestry Multi-Tool combines a log hauler, cant hook, and timber jack into one system, allowing you to lift, roll, and stabilize logs safely. Its ergonomic design improves grip and leverage, while the modular setup adapts to different tasks. It is a smart tool that increases efficiency and control during wood handling and cutting operations. That wraps up the tools that can truly upgrade your woodworking workflow. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, share your favorite tool in the comments, and subscribe to AU Techverse for more practical, high-value tool breakdowns that help you build smarter every time.